What's the meaning of Amtrak? Amtrak. 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 Amtrak.
Amtrak is a national railroad passenger corporation in the United States. It was created in 1971 to take over passenger rail service from private rail companies that were struggling financially. Amtrak operates more than 300 trains daily, serving over 500 destinations in 46 states and 3 Canadian provinces. Its mission is to provide safe, efficient, and high-quality intercity passenger rail transportation that meets the needs of communities across America. Amtrak has played an important role in connecting cities and communities, and promoting sustainable transportation options for travelers.